Have you ever wondered how it feels when your body operates at its full potential? Every cell, tissue, and organ works tirelessly to keep you healthy, strong, and full of energy. But over time, stress and daily challenges can disrupt this perfect system. That's where our Restore line comes in. Our products are designed to support your body holistically, helping it regain its natural balance. Imagine strengthening your joints, protecting your cells, and giving your heart and brain the care they deserve. When your body is restored from within, every aspect of your life transforms. You feel lighter, more agile, and energized to tackle any challenge. Our carefully selected ingredients could help you improve your gut health, essential for digestion and overall well-being, support cardiovascular health and optimize circulation, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your natural defenses. Restoring isn't just about healing. It's about revitalizing every part of you. It's about giving your body the support it needs to function optimally so you can feel strong, balanced, and full of life. Give your body what it needs to restore itself and live your best version.